Panda versus sloth bear, gentle giants or fierce survivors. Pandas and sloth bears are two unique bear species that couldn't be more different. On one hand, you have the giant panda, an icon of peace and gentleness, known for its bamboo-filled diet and serene demeanor. On the other hand, the sloth bear is a fierce survivor of the dense forests of South Asia, with a reputation for adaptability and tenacity. Despite their shared classification as bears, these two species have distinct traits, habitats, and survival strategies. Let's explore what makes each of them extraordinary and how they compare in the wild. Physical traits. The giant panda, native to the mountainous forests of China, is instantly recognizable with its black and white fur pattern. Adult pandas weigh between 200 to 300 pounds, with males slightly larger than females. Their round faces, large heads, and strong jaws are specialized for chewing bamboo. Their primary diet. Pandas have a pseudo-thumb, an extended wrist bone, that helps them grasp bamboo with precision, an adaptation that sets them apart from other bears. The sloth bear, in contrast, is found in the forests and grasslands of India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. It is smaller than the panda, typically weighing between 120 to 300 pounds, but what it lacks in size, it makes up for in agility and strength. Sloth bears have long, shaggy fur, a mane-like ruff around their necks, and curved claws that are perfect for digging. Their elongated snouts and lack of upper front teeth allow them to suck up insects like termites and ants, their primary food source. While pandas have a stocky, rounded appearance suited to their sedentary lifestyle, sloth bears are leaner and built for climbing and foraging. Their claws and long limbs make them excellent climbers, while pandas are better suited to life on the ground, with their bulky build and slower movements. Habitat and range. Giant pandas are famously associated with the misty bamboo forests of China. They prefer cool, wet climates in mountainous regions, where bamboo grows abundantly. These solitary animals have a limited range, with their wild population concentrated in small, protected areas. Their habitat is under constant threat from deforestation and human encroachment, making conservation efforts critical to their survival. Sloth bears, on the other hand, thrive in a range of habitats, from tropical forests to dry grasslands. They are found across the Indian subcontinent and are highly adaptable to varying climates and terrains. Unlike pandas, sloth bears are not dependent on a single food source, allowing them to survive in areas with scarce resources. However, their habitat is also under threat due to human activity, leading to increasing encounters with humans and conflicts. Diet and feeding habits. The diet of these two bears is perhaps the most striking difference. Pandas are herbivores, with over 99% of their diet consisting of bamboo. Despite their classification as carnivores, their digestive systems are poorly adapted to processing plant matter, which is why they must consume large quantities of bamboo daily, up to 80 pounds, to meet their energy needs. Occasionally, they will eat small mammals or carrion, but this is rare. Sloth bears are omnivorous, with a diet heavily focused on insects like termites and ants. They use their long claws to tear open termite mounds and suck up insects with their powerful lips and snouts. Sloth bears are also known to eat fruits, honey, and small mammals when available. Their varied diet and ability to exploit different food sources make them more adaptable than pandas. Behavior and temperament. Pandas are often seen as gentle giants, and for good reason. They are solitary creatures that spend most of their time eating bamboo or resting. They avoid conflict and have a relaxed demeanor, which has made them symbols of peace and goodwill in human culture. Pandas rarely show aggression, although mothers will fiercely protect their cubs if threatened. Sloth bears, on the other hand, are known for their aggressive and fearless nature. Despite their name, sloth bears are anything but slow. They can be highly territorial and will not hesitate to defend themselves against predators, including tigers and leopards. Their loud roars and sharp claws make them formidable opponents, even though they are smaller than other bear species. Unlike pandas, sloth bears are more active and spend a significant amount of time foraging for food. Survival skills. When it comes to survival, sloth bears have the upper hand. Their adaptability and varied diet allow them to thrive in challenging environments. Their sharp claws, strong sense of smell, and ability to climb trees make them highly efficient foragers. Sloth bears also have fewer natural predators due to their aggressive nature and ability to fend off attacks. Pandas, in contrast, are highly specialized and rely almost entirely on bamboo for survival. This specialization makes them more vulnerable to environmental changes. Their low reproductive rate and dependence on specific habitats add to the challenges they face in the wild. However, conservation efforts have played a significant role in stabilizing their population, and captive breeding programs have been particularly successful. Role in the ecosystem. Both pandas and sloth bears play crucial roles in their ecosystems. Pandas contribute to the health of bamboo forests by spreading seeds and facilitating plant growth. Their presence supports biodiversity in these forests, benefiting other species that rely on the same habitat. Sloth bears, as insectivores, help control termite and ant populations, preventing these insects from damaging vegetation by eating fruits and dispersing seeds. They also contribute to forest regeneration and biodiversity. Unlike pandas, sloth bears' impact on their ecosystem is less specific but equally important for maintaining balance. Interaction with humans. Pandas have become global ambassadors for wildlife conservation, with their adorable appearance and peaceful nature capturing hearts worldwide. They are often featured in zoos and breeding programs, serving as symbols of conservation success. Pandas rarely come into conflict with humans due to their remote habitats and gentle nature. Sloth bears, however, have a more complicated relationship with humans. As their habitats shrink, encounters with humans have increased, sometimes leading to dangerous situations. Sloth bears are known to be aggressive if threatened, and incidents of attacks on humans are not uncommon in areas where their territories overlap with human settlements. Conservation efforts for sloth bears are focused on habitat protection and reducing human-wildlife conflicts. Conclusion: while pandas and sloth bears may share the same bear lineage, their differences highlight the incredible diversity of nature. Pandas, with their gentle demeanor and specialized diet, are icons of peace and conservation, while sloth bears, with their fierce survival skills and adaptability, are symbols of resilience. Both species are remarkable in their own ways, showcasing how bears can evolve to thrive in vastly different environments. Whether you're drawn to the peaceful world of pandas or the bold and fearless nature of sloth bears, these incredible animals remind us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Which bear do you think is more fascinating, the gentle giant panda or the fierce survivor sloth bear? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of pandas and sloth bears. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible animals, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. Let us know which bear you think is more fascinating in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting animal comparisons on Animal Kingdom Showdown.